In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. This is a handy way to enhance your trading experience by utilizing the powerful charting tools that TradingView offers, while still executing trades on your preferred MetaTrader platform. Let's get started with a comprehensive walkthrough to make this integration as smooth as possible for you. First up, head over to the TradingView website. TradingView is accessible via any web browser, so you don't have to worry about downloading any application onto your device. Simply navigate to tradingview.com, and once you're there, log into your account. The TradingView interface has a lot to offer, but today we'll focus on connecting it with MT4 or MT5. Next, turn your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll find the question mark icon. This little symbol is your gateway to a wealth of assistance offered by TradingView. When you click on it, you will be greeted by TradingView's chat assistant. This feature is super useful for getting instant help and guidance directly from TradingView's own support system. Now, it's time to type in your specific query. You can enter something along the lines of, how can I connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView? Or any other relevant question you might have. The goal here is to get information from the chat assistant about setting up this connection. Don't worry too much about your phrasing, as the assistant is quite intuitive. Once you've input your question, look for the send icon, which is usually represented by an arrow. Clicking this will send your message off to the chat assistant. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for getting the support you need. After the chat assistant understands your query, there may be an arrow or a button prompting further action. Clicking this will lead you to a list of brokers or additional instructions. Here, look for the option to find a broker. This process is about exploring the platforms where TradingView can directly sync with your accounts, including MT4 and MT5 connections. When you find the Find Broker option, you can type in MT4 or MT5 in the search field. While TradingView does not allow a direct way to connect with MT4 or MT5 out of the box, searching for these terms will unlock helpful hints on bridging these platforms. At this stage, it is important to understand that currently, TradingView doesn't provide a direct integration with MT4 or MT5. Instead, you might need to utilize third-party bridge services. Alternatively, the chat assistant might offer specific instructions or recommend services that can facilitate this connection. In conclusion, connecting MT4 or MT5 to TradingView requires a few steps and possibly the integration of a third-party service for a seamless partnership. This process allows you to leverage the best of both platforms. TradingView's extensive charting capabilities and MetaTrader's robust trading execution. Happy trading, and thank you for following along.